Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am here to guide you about the summer pack of computer science of class 3. I hope you have done your previous work. Next we are going to do our remaining summer pack. So open your page number 46. Here activity number 4 is about write the features of computer in the following circles and write one line about the feature mentioned above. Features of a computer are solving sums, listening music, typing words, drawing and coloring, playing games. Write one line about the feature mentioned above. We can listen music on a computer. We can play games on a computer. We can type words. We can solve sums by using computer. We can draw and color by using different softwares on a computer. Is it clear? So we'll go to next page, page number 47. Here activity 5 is about label the diagram. So we'll label the diagram. Some names are given in the box. So we'll write here pencil, text tool, color picker tool, colors, brushes and shapes. So you can solve it. So we'll go to next page, page number 48. Here activity 6 is about cross match the following columns. Here some drawing tools of a computer are given. We will match the column A with column B. You will match it. So we'll go to next page 49. Here activity 7 is about write limitation of computer in the following blocks. Limitation of a computers are no feelings, no IQ, don't take decision, user dependent, no self care, no learning power, lack of common sense, cannot express ideas. This is our activity number 7, that is last activity of class 3. If you have any confusion, so you can contact with us. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.